Hey guys, it's Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a wild month. I don't think any of us expected 2020 to go this way. I know I didn't. Middle of a friggin' pandemic. Sure, like many of you guys who have been recently unemployed, I myself also was let go from my job as I had just left a previous job that I was in for a long period of time and kind of jumped into a new job, and literally 2 weeks later, well, a week later, well no, the day of when I started, it was the shutdown of all the offices and I was let go the week of, and so it was just a lot to process. Before I get into it, you don't have to be productive during this pandemic. Do whatever is good for your soul. Just for me personally, I've always been someone who loves just doing things and love being productive. This time was just like, I felt like my creativity just went through the roof. Like I had all these ideas that I wanted to do, and my Instagram account was kind of like a perfect canvas for me to take a pause and reset and restart. But today is really just about using what you have around the house and just creating a day to take care of yourself, because during this time we are going through so many ups and downs emotionally, physically, you know, shifting work from the office to home, and some of us don't even have jobs, some of us have kids, you know, so many things to think about. But it's so important to make sure that you take care of yourself. And I'm going to take you through a day in the life doing a DIY spa day that you can easily recreate at home. Mother's Day is coming up, and so that's going to be a really fun activity to kind of treat your mom to from the comforts of your home. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and support your girl, because I would really appreciate that. I've been blogging a lot this month and been really active on Instagram, dabbling in TikTok. It's one of those things where before all of this happened, I told myself that I would never ever get on TikTok, and now I'm obsessed with it. It's so much fun. Step number 1. Pour yourself a glass of wine, because when you go to the spa, you can start off with a glass of wine. It helps you relax. It tastes good. This is the rosé from Sandhill Wines. They sent it over. They're so sweet. Let's begin our DIY spa day. First step, you guys, find something comfortable to wear, because comfort is key for a good spa day. This robe over here, it can be a robe, it can be a pajama set, it could be just lounge wear that you really enjoy wearing. I prefer going with the robe because it really makes you feel like you're at the spa, because you know when you go to the spa, you get a robe. You can even go naked. Whatever works for you. So I don't know if you can see my nails. I opted to mix the colors up so that it looks very spring-like. You can see the photo on my Instagram account. It looks much better. That was when I just freshly got it done. But if you really want to get a real gel manicure from the comfort of your home, you can check out your local nail parlors. Sometimes they sell those machines with the UV light to harden the nails that you can just buy. That way you're supporting your local salons and you're able to do a good gel mani at home. The Oak and Fort nail polishes, I used 3 of the different colors, and in order to give it a very nice finish, I used the Sally Hansen gel top coat. So after you do your nails and you're all relaxed, you've had your wine, one more, a face mask, because what else says spa day than a good old-fashioned facial that you can do from the comfort of your home. And there are a ton of do-it-yourself face mask recipes that you can find online. I'm not going to be making a recipe today. Well, I'm going to use drugstore face masks or masks that you can get at Sephora. Laneige water face mask. It's a sleeping mask. One of my absolute favorite is water-based. It's so light, it smells so good. I can't do face masks that are too strong in scent, and this is a very nice subtle scent that you can use during the day and then wash it off, or you can add on an extra layer on your skin and then just have it as a sleeping mask and then wash it off the next day. I swear by the Pixie Detoxify Eye Mask. It's so great for removing any puffiness in your eyes, or if you couldn't sleep the night before, I like using this. You can put it in the refrigerator so it's nice and cool when you use it. I'm already halfway, but it's very soothing. It's by Glam Glow, duh. This is the My Little Pony face mask. It has glitter in it. It is one of those peel off masks, so you would apply it, leave it on for a tiny while, about 10 to 15 minutes, and then when it's all dry, you can peel it off. It's very satisfying. I don't use this for moisture, but I use it mainly for fun. You don't only need to mask your face. For a DIY spa day, we're gonna bring in the Aveeno foot and hand mask. Yes, these are for your feet and your hands. If you've never used these before, it's amazing. It's like a glove, or for your feet, it's like a sock, and you just kind of put it on your feet or your hands and leave it on for however long it tells you to leave it on, and then you just rinse it off. It's like you're putting cucumbers on your eyes at the spa. I always get so confused if you put it on this way or if you put it on this way. I like to layer on quite a bit, so it's a nice thick mask. So I bought this jade roller off Amazon some time ago. It comes in a pack of 2, and it wasn't expensive at all. I think it was maybe less than 20 Canadian. But if you want to add on that facial massage, I like to just, as it's slowly getting absorbed by my skin, kind of helping it absorb even more product by just massaging. And what I like to do is that I like to put the jade roller in the refrigerator so it's nice and cool before using it. And then you just want to massage your face in an upward motion. On the topic of TikTok, I was laying in bed one day and I came across this video of this girl kind of talking about tech neck. And basically what tech neck is that if you are on the computer all the time, or if you're always looking at your phone, like me, you'll see that there is a crease on your neck. Not the best thing to have. I don't like it. But the video, she was kind of describing what tech neck was and how to kind of slowly get rid of the creases. And what she did was that she mentioned to put, when you're putting moisturizer on your neck, always put it in an upward motion. And she does neck stretches, so she'll look to the left, the right, and then up for a bit. And what she does is that she kind of helps the neck just relax and absorb any of the product by kind of rubbing it in a circular motion or in an up and down motion. Finished my facial, did a little massage, feel relaxed, had more wine. Next up, I'm going to ask you guys to do a hair mask. I'm going to share a couple of my favorite hair items with you real quick, and then we're going to go into trying on this new hair mask that I received from AG Hair. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very excited to try it today. So first up on my must-haves for your hair is the Away, did I say that right? The Away Scalp and Body Scrub. So good. It smells amazing. There's a ton of product in it. You could use it on your body as well, but I primarily use it for my scalp because when my scalp is really dry, it tends to be flaky and I have some dandruff. It's really gross. But I like using the Away for just rebalancing the pH of my scalp, and it does a really good job at it. I just started using this. This is the L'Oreal Wonder Water, and it is awesome. It's very nice in order to kind of smooth out your hair in the shower. It can replace conditioner if your hair is not too dry, and I find that when I blow dry it after, silky smooth. So the hair mask that I'm going to try out today, never used it before. It's from AG Hair. Their Reconstruct Hairline. It's vitamin C infused. It's a straightening mask, and I'm supposed to put it on with my hair that's damp and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, which is perfect because not only are you going to be doing a hair mask, you are also going to be running a bubble bath. If you don't have a tub, A shower works perfectly fine. You can even elevate your shower by doing a body scrub. This is one of my favorite body scrubs. It is not available in stores anymore, I don't think, but it's from the Body Shop. It is the Juicy Pear Exfoliating Body Scrub. Love using this in the shower, works perfectly great, smooths out your skin. I don't think they have the pear anymore, but if you go into stores, they have a ton of other body scrubs and it just smells amazing. This is one of my favorite purchases from Amazon. It was about $22 Canadian, if I'm not mistaken, but I am in love with this. So there is a book stand where you can place a book. You can put your phone over here. You can put some food, and this is for the wine. Ta-da! I also wanted to share some very exciting news that I haven't really told anyone yet actually during filming this. Oh yeah, I told a few friends. I've started a new Instagram account. It is called Tub Sessions, and I don't know, the inspiration behind starting it was really to make self-care fun. To make bubble baths or even any form of self-care something that was fashionable, was stylish, and was fun. Because a lot of the times we don't put enough effort into taking care of ourselves, and in hopes of kind of having more of those moments, I started Tub Sessions. So it's a new account, not thinking too much out of it, but I really hope that you guys can give me a follow and do share all of your self-care sessions, especially if they're involving bubble baths. It smells coconutty. I love the smell. Oh my god, it smells like a tropical holiday that we can't go on. Left it on for 5 minutes because it just feels so nice. So now it's time to rinse it off. So I am feeling so relaxed, so refreshed. My hair smells amazing. I didn't need to put any conditioner in because it's just, the hair mask is good. It's really good, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to my YouTube video. I hope this gave you a ton of ideas for you to recreate your own spa day from the comfort of your home. I would love if you hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. You can find me all over social media. I've been posting very regularly on my Instagram account. And also please do follow me on my new Instagram account, Tub Sessions. Everyone be safe, practice social distancing, be kind to one another. It's a crazy time for everybody. Emotions are all over the place, so be kind when you can. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time.